Mitochondrial protein are first fully synthesized as mitochondrial precursor protein in the cytosol, then it is transported to mitochondria. So as it has to cross the mitochondria, so it must be unfolded protein, isn't it? Because it has to cross to the protein which has to be enter into intermembrane space. It must have an N-terminal matrix targeting sequence followed by a cleavable hydrophobic sequence that block the complete translocation, isn't it? Okay, so that the substrate saturation profile of an enzyme that follows equation, kinetic is depicted in the figure. What is the order of the reaction in the concentration range between 0.8 to 1.4 m? Which one of the following profile represents the phenomenon of cooperativity related to Hill equation? Okay, and for cooperative binding, dissociation or association, what will be the graph? The graph will be sigmoid. Standard free energy del G value of reaction catalyzed by citrate lyase and citrate synthase are given. So the standard free energy of acetyl coenzyme hydrolysis you have to find out. Okay, standard free energy for the during an enzyme catalyzed reaction, the equilibrium constant. What happens to equilibrium constant? Increase, decrease, remain unused, or can increase or decrease depending upon the enzyme. What happens to equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant should remain initial velocity given. Initial velocity is 1/4 of maximum velocity. Substrate concentration given, and it is asked about Km. तो आराम से आसी जीवो. Use the formula. B0 is equal to Vmax into substrate concentration divided by Km plus substrate concentration. For a single substrate enzyme, a reaction is carried out at a substrate concentration 4 times the value of Km. And S is equal to 4 Km. The observed initial velocity will be dash percentage of Vmax. So it's very simple. So it is asking you have to prepare 2 liter of 0.4 molar HCl, but it is given stock is having 28% W by W HCl and specific gravity or density 1.15. So you cannot put the formula M is equal to W by